A tiny tamarind seed fell onto a scorching, sandy dune. The sun was so fierce that the sand burned like embers. Just when the seed was about to wither, a passing lion dropped a little moisture on it with his tongue. Slowly, the seed sprouted, growing into a lush tamarind tree over the years. Travelers rested under its shade, birds sang joyfully, and even the lion found peace beneath its branches. One day, a storm uprooted the tree. The lion was heartbroken, but after a few months, a new sapling emerged from the same spot, symbolizing hope and resilience.